Okay guys, today what I got is a Inkbird temperature control. This can control a heating unit or a cooling unit like a refrigerator, as long as it's under 1200 watts for either one, heating or cooling. So it's a digital control. Okay, I'll give you some of the other specs on this. The temperature probe right here is about 6 feet long. So that's a good length. And the power cord on this unit is a little over 4 feet. And then you got your plug that you plug into here. That's your cooling or heating, depending on what you're doing. That's just, less than a foot long. Okay, so when you first turn your Inkbird on, it may be set like mine is in centigrade, and it's on heat mode. So it depends on the temperature it's set at. It'll be in heat mode or cooling mode depending on what the number is in that window there. So you're going to want to hit set, press and hold it for 3 seconds, and then you can scroll between the different options here. See, it's going to be CF. We'll change it from centigrade to Fahrenheit. Okay, now it's in Fahrenheit mode. And you're going to hold set again for 3 seconds. Okay, so now the display is in Fahrenheit. So to get from heating mode to cooling mode, you just want to turn that temperature down. So press and hold set again. And I'm going to cool my beer down to about 50 degrees. Hold set again. Now it went to cooling mode. So this is the temperature in the room. That's the temperature I have it set for. And then if you briefly hit this, it'll tell you the differential. So cooling differential is 3 degrees, so it'll be a 3-degree temperature swing in there. And then some other features I'll go through here. Let's press and hold that. And so that's your temperature set. HD is heating differential. CD, cooling differential, 3 degrees, so you can change that. Alarm high limit. We're going to turn that down. Since I have my temperature set to 50, we're going to go down and have it alarm at like 60 degrees. So or 55, let's change it to 55 degrees. So it'll alarm if it gets too warm. Hold set on that. Okay, see the alarm's going off because it's sensing the temperature is above 50 degrees or 55 degrees. I'm going to hold this again. Heating differential, cooling differential, the alarm high limit. There's also an alarm low limit, which I can increase up to, let's say, 40. I can make that limit 45 degrees. So it should keep it between those two temperatures. Remember, there's a temperature swing also in there, the heating differential. You have 3 degrees, so you got to go at least 3-degree temperature. That's why I went to 5. And then there's also a, let's see, press and hold this. If you go through PT is compressor delay. Let's do the compressor delay. This is in minutes, and you can go up to 10-minute delay. So I'm going to go 5-minute delay in between cyclings. So it'll take 5 minutes out, let the compressor rest before it turns on again, then press set. Okay. And there's also a temperature calibration. Let's press and hold again. We'll scroll through the menu. Calibration is CA, and then CF is Fahrenheit. and Celsius. So that's all the different modes, all different things you can set in there. Looks like a pretty handy unit. We're going to try this out. Okay, it says alarm high, HA. It's cycling back and forth because of the, it's actually too warm in here. The sensor is reading that it's over 70 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug this. I'm going to see if it holds my settings. So if you have a power failure, will it hold the settings? We'll say give it 5 seconds. And we'll plug it back in. See if it's still set on the same. Yes, it's still set to 50 degrees. So, pretty good unit. I'm going to try it out on the refrigerator now, and I'll let you know how it works.